So today I am going to show you how to cleanse a wealth kit. Okay, one of the videos you must have seen that I have received a lot of 4 wealth kits. Okay, and these are the crystal stones. Okay, so how to clean the wealth kit when you receive it from me. Okay, so you might hear a background sound. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this you have to throw it out. Okay, this one. Okay, you have this stones you have received. Open it and keep it like this. Okay, you have to do it into the tap water. Okay, since I have lots of wealth kit, that's why I'm doing it in a container. Okay, so you have to do like this. Okay, like this. Okay, once you do it, just for 3 to 4 minutes is okay, 1 or 2 minutes is okay. Okay, so you just need to clean it to clear away all the negative energies from this crystals, whatever, like the courier guy have traveled and lot of people have traveled through this. Okay, so lot of negative energies must have been into this stones, so that's why we are cleaning it from the tap water. Okay, so yeah, take the stone, try to clean it and clear this stone with the dry cloth. Dry this stone with a dry cloth. Okay, not a dry cloth, but yeah, from a cloth you have to just rub it nicely and properly. I hope you can see. Let me show you like this. Okay, so yeah, so this is the first stone. This is, I'm taking it from the water and putting it outside and cleaning it from a cloth, also dry cloth. You need to take it. This is the third stone which I am doing. Okay, this is the third stone. This is the fourth one. Okay, this wealth and abundance kits are really helpful. Why? Because if you keep it in the locker or somewhere else, okay, this really helps you out, to be honest, to increase the abundance, to double the money flow, and to increase and to help you financially growing. Okay, so yeah, this abundance kits are really helpful. I'm just showing you the technique because next time if someone orders the wealth kit, so I don't have to repeat the process again. I can just share this video and those clients can be they can really get a help from this video. Okay, so these are the crystals which I got. Okay, I hope you are able to see. Okay, now what you need to do, you have to take a agarbatti or a dhoop. Okay, you can see this, like this is the agarbatti and a dhoop. What you need to do, you have to circle it. Do this. You have to do it like this for few minutes, thinking about the intention to increase the money flow into the house, into the business, wherever you are keeping it, increasing the abundance, money flow, and doubling the money, increasing the abundance and all. You can also use a dhoop instead of this agarbatti. Okay, if you don't have the agarbatti, you can use dhoop or else the agarbatti. Either way you can use anything. Okay, so these are the crystals. So we are just giving dhoop and keep this agarbatti aside. Now this crystals has been activated, okay, with my energies and with your individual energies. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to keep it inside this jute box and you need to do it like this. You need to keep this wealth and abundance kit along with the jute bag into your locker, into anywhere, into the locker, preferably if it is in the house, or if it in the business, you can keep it wherever you collect the money. Okay, wherever you keep the money for yourself. Okay, so this you have to keep it there. Okay, I hope the process is clear, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.